Hi, welcome to NonnasHere. I'm Nonna, and this is the star of the show.
Oh, I'm grumpy grandpa looking at stuff.
Okay, today we're going to finish our Advent calendar because as we speak, we are putting things at the door to pack up the car to go to Texas. But we did want to finish our Advent calendar, and it is the PopFeel Holiday Glow that we got from Temu. We only have a couple days left, and
Thank goodness.
the car is just packed with Christmas gifts and, excuse me, things for Sienna. So we thought it'd be best if we finish it now. But before we do that, because I know some of you are doing this and you don't want to know what's in the last couple days. Don't hold it up yet, okay?
Oh, that is nice.
First of all, I heard from Michelle Magliano. I'm going to say that wrong. I heard from Michelle, the winner of the ice cream beauty bag, and we got that shipped off. And this morning, I heard from Trish Pranger, who won the wreath, the burgundy and white poinsettia wreath. And Trish, I'm really sorry, but I'm not going to get that shipped off to you until after the first of the year when we return from Texas, because we're just packing up the car to leave. So you will get it as a New Year's wreath, and you can certainly use it throughout the winter. It's burgundy and white, so it'll be perfect, and it'll be a new thing for the new year, okay? So I will get that shipped off to you after the first of the year. Congratulations to the winner. Let's be sure and congratulate Michelle and Trish, and I want to give you a special thanks for getting back to me so quickly on being the winners of those two giveaways, okay? And you know there'll be many more giveaways coming in 2025. Okay, so if you are doing this and you don't want to see what the last few days are, you can, sign off now. Merry Christmas, happy 2025. Thank you so much for supporting NonnasHere. We'll probably be doing a Temu haul. Yes, we'll be doing a Temu haul before the end of the year back in Houston. Grumpy Grandpa's real excited about doing that. In between playing golf, we'll be doing a Temu haul.
I'm excited.
And we may have a special guest with us. You all like meeting family members, so we may have a family member or two with us. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we are on day... You are not supposed to open lipsticks because you screw it up.
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay, so we're on day number 18. So this is day number 18, and it's PopFeel Ultra Matte Lipstick, and it's in a real pretty orange, and I have a lot of this color, and he opened it. And I wasn't going to open it, but he didn't touch anything with it. So I'll be putting this in a giveaway because I have a lot of this color.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Yeah.
Most of the time, you want the plastic taken off so you can show people.
That's true.
Now, all of a sudden, we're switching gears after Grumpy Grandpa opens one thing.
Okay, that's all right.
All right?
All right, this is
Screwing around
This
with me.
is number, you didn't hold up the box. This is number 19, I think.
Yeah, that's 19.
And this is PopFeel Concealer Stick. And it looks like he opened it, so I'm going to open it, but it hasn't been touched by human hands. And there it is, and that's really a good color. That would blend with everything. And so I'm going to put that away because I have a lot of concealer. Okay, the next one is number 20. I've enjoyed this box. I've liked what I've gotten in it. And he can't get it out.
Never had that problem before. Right, here it comes.
Okay,
I
and
don't know what that is.
No, it's not much of anything. Oh, I know what it is.
Yeah, give that away.
It's a sponge. It's a makeup sponge
Do your dishes with it.
that you can put your finger through and do around your eyes. It's not bad because you can also do it around your nose. There goes Sienna.
Yeah.
Sienna, what you doing? Okay, so that's kind of cute. All right, give me back the box for this
Why?
because I'm going to give it away, and I don't want it to be out and get dirty.
Excuse me. Here.
Thank you. And give me the box for number 18.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so now, here's something here. You can't tell what the heck it is because it's got this plastic on it, okay?
Yeah.
So, here, explain to the crowd what it is.
Okay.
Go ahead.
PopFeel lip balm. Not gonna open it. It's lip balm.
Uh-huh.
Man, we have enough lip balm for a small country.
Yeah, get chapped lips, why don't you? All right, that's 21.
All right, let me put this lipstick in here.
You want to put that lip balm back in here?
Yeah. Here, put it
There
back.
you go.
Okay. Thank you.
I just open stuff. I don't put it back. That's not
Oh, that's it. Is that what your contract says?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, here's another one.
So we're about as ready for Christmas as we can be. Everything is wrapped.
The
everything-
Grumster here.
Is ready to go in, is being packed into the truck. I finished the laundry at 3 a.m. last night. So we are pretty much good to go.
22.
22.
There you go.
Boy, you destroyed this box.
No, I didn't. It destroyed itself.
Okay.
With a little scotch on it.
Pretty lipstick.
All right, I got to get going here.
Very pretty lipstick. Not going to swatch it. Going back in. He didn't open it, thank goodness, because he destroys these lipsticks.
You know what?
What?
Next year, get yourself a new assistant. I'm out of here.
Oh, no, you're my favorite assistant.
Yeah, right.
You have the little pink box that this came in? The little pink box.
What number is it? Oh, it goes in here.
That's good, because you destroyed this box.
Hey, if I get blamed for one more thing,
But you're doing a fantastic...
Santa Claus is not coming to see you.
Okay.
Because you're being nasty.
Did you wrap my gifts?
I'm not telling you.
Or you're not telling me?
Just in case I want to pull them back and not
That's
put
good.
them
I
under
got
the
it
tree.
back in a nice little box, so it'll still look good.
There you go.
Okay, this is number 23, next to last box. Oh, man.
What?
I'm just saying what these are. Spoolies. 3 spoolies.
Jeez, did you think they were going to give you something? Never mind.
Yeah, I did. I thought towards the end
boy.
they'd give us a spectacular ending.
Oh, a load of dynamite. Oh, what is this?
Oh, that's number 24?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What is it?
It's a necklace.
Oh, well, I didn't spend a lot of money on that one.
No, it's not bad. Do you have scissors?
Yeah, all the way over there. No, don't open that if you're going to give it away.
No, I'm not going to give this away. Wait, I can open it this way.
Why not?
Because I like it.
You give everything. Oh, so you're giving away the stuff you don't like.
Well, if I have a lot of lipstick and lip balm, I don't need to keep it.
You never know. You know, you might balm.
By the way, you see what I have on?
What?
This is the necklace and the earrings that made Crazy Mimi gave me. And aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, she's crazy for giving them to you.
I know. Do you like my hair? It's a different color in case you haven't noticed.
What do you mean it's a different color? It was the same color as yesterday.
Well, I had
Are you
to-
talking to them?
I'm talking to them.
Hey, pay attention. She got
Okay,
something
so
important here.
it's got a star on it, on like a thin rope, and then it's got like a crocheted band with it, and then it's got a long extension so you can make it really long, which is good, because that's not going to fit around my neck. So that's not bad for the last thing. Okay, that's pretty. I like it. I'll keep it. So that is the end of the PopFeel Holiday Glow. And I've enjoyed it. And I want recommendations for what I should get next year. Okay?
Heck.
Because I'm going to get 2 or 3 next year.
How many?
2 or 3, 4.
You can have one.
People got chocolates and perfume and big boxes of makeup.
You get an advent calendar with chocolates on it. You know what you're going to weigh on Christmas Day?
I know, that's
And look,
really
You
true.
didn't even have to open any of this stuff. It's right there. It just
I
tells you
know,
what it is.
but see, it's the surprise factor. It's the surprise
I'd
factor.
have told him what was in there, then I'd give the whole thing away.
No. Anyway, it was fun. I enjoyed it. Next year, I'm going to get 3 or 4.
We'll see about that.
Okay. I'm so afraid of him. Can you tell how afraid I am of
Yeah,
him?
you're going to be afraid of me in
Anyway,
2025, let
Merry
me tell you.
Christmas, Happy 2025, and we'll see you in Texas in a week.
Maybe.
Thumbs up.
Grumpy may be busy.
Thumbs up. Bye.